Here's how to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. To do this, open Instagram and navigate to your profile on the bottom right. When editing your profile, Instagram only allows you to write 150 characters for your bio. To remove this limit, switch your profile into a business account. Click on the three horizontal lines and navigate to the Settings and Activities section. Click on the section for professionals and select Account Type and Tools. Click on Switch to Professional Account and continue. Write down your best description on your profile, such as artist or any other occupation. You can either display it on your profile or otherwise. Then, click on Done. If you are a creator, select this option. If you run a business, select Business option. For safety settings, you can make changes like advanced comment filtering or unwanted message requests. Click on OK. Set up your professional account as desired, and you can complete your profile, get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, or introduce yourself. Once you're a business account, click on Edit Profile and type any bio that is greater than 150 characters.